Hi everyone, this is Ravi Shankar and today I am going to talk about how to automate installation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, that is Kickstart installation. So Kickstart installation is a way to install Red Hat Enterprise operating system without any user interaction on the client side. So before starting configuration of Kickstart, you need to consider the things like what is your network environment machines configuration. Some machines may have the high configuration, some machine may have very low configuration. So you need to consider about them, and then you should prepare your Kickstart configuration file. In Windows, this is known as remote installation services, or in Windows Server 2008, this service is known as Windows deployment services. With the help of that, you can install the operating system as well as application software on the client machine as well. In the same manner, if you are talking about Solid Edge, there is a jump start installation. In the same manner, in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, there is a Kickstart. So you can install the operating system using Kickstart. So in our case, what I am doing, I will prepare a Kickstart configuration file, and I will publish the Kickstart configuration file in FTP. If you wish, you can share the Kickstart configuration file using either FTP, HTTP, NFS. If you are talking about network, you can publish, and if you wish, this is a network where you can publish your Kickstart file. If you wish, you can publish your Kickstart file using CD DVD as well, CD DVD or removable media. But in our case, what I am doing, I will prepare the Kickstart configuration file on this machine, and I will share the Kickstart file via FTP, and on the client machine I will boot the machine with the help of DVD, and all the settings will be fetched from the FTP server where the Kickstart file is kept. So I am becoming root. Now let me first mount the DVD. So let's see whether the DVD is attached with this machine or not. So let me attach the DVD. I am mounting it inside MNT, and let me make an entry so that we can install the package easily. I am opening yum.conf and I am writing gpg0 so that it will not verify the signature. If you wish, you can put one as well, but you need to then specify the GPG key file path. So I am writing here classroom and base URL file, because the resource is available in the same machine, MNT. So for this purpose, we need to install package system-config-kickstart. System-config-kickstart. So this is when you will install this package, it will provide a graphical driven menu which will be available in system tools. See, the menu is not available, or if you wish, you can do search as well. I am pressing Windows key on the keyboard and I am writing kick. It's not displaying. that means the package is not installed. Or if you wish, you can view the information what is use of system-config-kickstart. yum info system-config-kickstart. I'm writing kickstart. So it will display the information. Kickstart configuration. That is a graphical tool for creating Kickstart file. And once you will create the Kickstart file, you need to check whether there is any error in the configuration file. So there is a command like a cache validator and the path of the Kickstart configuration file. So whenever you are installing operating system, Anaconda, which is installer of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it will automatically create a Kickstart file which is available in root user's home directory with the name of anaconda-ks.cfg. See, here is a configuration file. So Anaconda is installer name, ks stands for Kickstart, and .cfg, which means configuration. So first let me open this file and discuss the things. See, it's saying versions rel 7 system authorization information. See, it's using algorithm SHA 512. The installation on this machine is happened via CD-ROM. First boot enable is there. See, it will only consider SDA. Keyboard is US. Language is English, India, and it has obtained the IP address from DHCP server, and host name is localhost.local domain, and see, the root password is encrypted here. Then time zone is there, user is there, and the installation happen in graphical mode, bootloader information is there, and then here is a information about partition. Then the package, see, this is a package name. You can say, see, if the name is start with @ that means this is a package group. That means a package group have a set of packages. So if you wish to write a package name, you can specify the package name here as well. You can write like ABC, like I am writing spice-xpi. So if you are writing in this manner, that means this is a package, not a package group. So this is a sample configuration. So now I am going to install the package system-config kickstart, and then we will start the lab. So I am installing the package yum list system-config-kickstart. Let's see whether the package is installed or not. See, the package is not installed. If the package will be installed, it will display @ So this is a no architecture. That means you can install it on 32-bit, 64-bit. So I'm installing the package system-config-kickstart. I need to press Y to proceed the installation. It is absorbing and installing the package. So once the package will be installed, it will appear a menu driven option Kickstart here. So now it should be available. See, it's there, Kickstart. Or if you will push Windows key, it will open dashboard. And now if I am writing kick, see, displaying Kickstart. So I am writing system-config-kickstart. See, the options is basic configuration, installation method. See, basic configuration includes default language setting, keyboard setting, time zone, root password, and the reboot, whether the system will be automatically rebooted after the installation. The installation by default starts in graphical mode. If you wish to install the operating system in command line mode, in text mode, then you need to check here. Next is installation method. See, if you wish to upgrade an existing installation, you need to click here, and installation source is here. That means where your package is located. So CD-ROM, if you wish, you can use CD-ROM. I am going to use CD-ROM. You can use NFS, FTP, HTTP, hard drive. Bootloader option, whether it will install the new bootloader or not. Partition information. See, this is a very important part. See, before supplying the partition information, you need to consider about the client machine. Suppose you have 100 of machines. So you should think what is the minimum configuration of your environment. What is minimum hard disk size? Suppose you have 100 machines, what is the minimum configuration of the machines? Then you need to write here the partition information. Then the network information, you need to attach a device, and then via which method it will get the IP address. Authentication information, NIS. If you wish to set the NIS information, LDAP information, you can write the information here. Firewall configuration, it will define the firewall related things like SE Linux will be active, security level is disabled, it should be enabled always for security purpose. Display configuration is there. On first boot, setup agent will be disabled. Package selection, see, the repository is not configured properly, that's why it's displaying error. Package section is disabled due to problems downloading package information. Then pre-installation scripts and post-installation scripts. See, you can write a script here either using Perl or Python or Bash. It accepts the script information in Perl, Python and Bash. So you can set here environment setting. Before installation, what will be the environment, and after installation, what it will do actually. If you wish to create user, if you wish to configure bridge or your machine, like that sort of information you can write in post installation script. So basic information, I'm providing English USA and the root password, whatever you wish you can specify here, and see encrypted root password. That means this information will be in encrypted format in your Kickstart answer file. And reboot system after installation. That means when the installation will be completed, the system will be rebooted automatically. Then next is installation method. I am using CD-ROM. Bootloader option, I am saying install new bootloader. If you wish, you can specify grub password here. Partition information, I am writing /boot, I am giving 500 MB, and then I am setting /temp. I am supplying the size of temp to 1 GB. Then slash, I am supplying size of slash of 8 GB and swap. See, you can create partition as per your requirement. 1024. So the total size will be about 9, 10. 10.5 GB. So the hard disk size must be minimum of 20 GB on the client machine. Network configuration, I am adding a network device and I am specifying the name H0. Network type DHCP, that means it will obtain the IP address from DHCP. Authentication, I am not going to configure these things. Firewall configuration, I am saying SE Linux will be active and security level will be enabled. And I am allowing only SSH service. So whatever service you wish to allow by default on the client machine after the installation, you can specify here. If you wish to see these are the pre-listed trusted service. If you have modified the service or if you want to allow more port, you can write here as well. Display configuration, package selection. See, the package selection is not working. So we will write some package information, pre-installation script, post-installation script. So I am writing after installation, like create a user. User add and the name, let's see, I am writing Shubham as a user and -c general information, or you can say comment or full name. I am writing Shubham Kumar. So the username will be Shubham, but the full name it will display Shubham Kumar. C will be in small. And then I am writing password will be Red Hat. So I am writing echo Red Hat. Passwd information will be standard input Shubham. So the password of Shubham user will be Red Hat. Now I am saving this file. Let's first view the preview. See, the platform is x86 AMD 64. Sorry. That means on this platform it will install the operating system, keyboard layout information, root password. So this is the information. See, the package information is not there. So I am going to click on save and I am saving it on the desktop. File. Okay. I am going to save in root user's home directory. Now I am closing the Kickstart configurator window. Now let's see let's open the gedit and compare the Anaconda configuration file and what we have created using Kickstart system config Kickstart. So see the Anaconda and another one is case.cfc. See, the package information is not there in this file. So I am going to copy the package information only from here and I am pasting it on the bottom of the document. See this. See, here is a %post. That means this script will run when the installation will be completed. In the same manner, if there will be a pre-script, then it will start before the installation. So I am going to save the Kickstart configuration file. See, everything looks like fine. So if you wish to create user, like when you install, see this user will be created after the installation, when the installation will be completed. But while installation you can create user as well. So if you wish you can write, let's see, I am writing user information. I'm writing user and username, happen name, let's see, Ravi. So Ravi user will be created. I'm saving this file. So now we need to publish the Kickstart configuration file. So I am closing the window. Now see, the configuration file is here. So I am going to publish the Kickstart configuration file via FTP. So let me check whether FTP package is installed or not. It's not installed. Let me install the package. Now I am going to copy the Kickstart configuration file inside FTP share directory, that is where FTP pub. I am going to start the service, systemctl start and vsftpd. Let's see the status of FTP. Systemctl status vsftpd. So it's saying it's active and running. I am going to enable at boot time. Now what is the status of firewall? You need to add the FTP service in the firewall. So I am adding the FTP service information in firewall. FTP. Because I have specified happen permanent, I need to reload the firewall. Reload. Now it will appear in the list. One thing, now we need to check what is the IP address of this machine. IP address. See, the IP address is 192.168.115.113. So, and let's see what is the network of this machine. See, I have just installed the operating system. I haven't modified anything. See, the default is net, so I am not going to modify. It will automatically take IP address from the DHCP server of VMware. I have not installed or configured the FTP server on this machine. So I am creating a machine and I am writing the name as test. 20 GB is enough, but I am going to empty the RAM. I am supplying the RAM 8 GB. And I need to supply the DVD so that it will boot from the DVD. Because we need to boot from the DVD. If you wish, you can boot the machine via network as well. But in today's session, we are going to boot the machine on client side via DVD, and then we will provide the Kickstart file information. So I am going to start the machine. See, here you need to press key tab and you need to write here ks equal to, you can see I have shared the Kickstart configuration file via FTP. So I am writing FTP colon and FTP server IP. Let's see the IP address 192.168, that is 192.168 and 115.133. One 115.133 and pub, and there is a file with the name of ks.cfg. So this information you need to write here. If you are sharing this via NFS, you need to specify the NFS information like NFS colon and NFS share, NFS server address, and then share folder, and then file of and the path of Kickstart file. So I am pressing enter here. See, it will, this machine is booting from the DVD, but it will fetch all the information from the FTP server. See, the starting installer, that is Anaconda. And now see, we need not to do anything. It will do everything automatically because we have specified all the information in the Kickstart file. So the installation will take some time. It's taking time. See, it has created a user Ravi. So it's preparing to install the operating system. So it will take some time. See, starting package installation. See, it's about to complete. It's installing fonts. .1124 package has been installed. Then it will install. Then it will execute the script, post installation script. See, now it's executing, performing post installation setup task. Then it will execute the post installation script, and once the installation will be completed, the machine will be rebooted automatically. So need to wait. So we have specified in the Kickstart config. See, performing post installation setup task is still executing. So we have specified in the Kickstart configuration file that there will be a user Shubham, and see, the user Ravi will be created. This is a normal user, and post installation script. In post installation script, we have specified a user will be created, that is Shubham. That will be also a normal user. So if you wish to add Ravi user as a root user, then you need to write in the Kickstart configuration file if you wish. So you need to specify the information in Kickstart configuration file. It's installing bootloader and generating init RAM fs. See, it's executing post installation script now, and the machine is automatically get rebooted. Once the machine will be started, we will find the user will be automatically created. There must be two users, Ravi and Shubham. It's rebooting. See, when the screen will come, There must be 2 users. See, Shubham is there, and there will be one more user as well. So I am going to log in as root. And let's see the etc passwd file. Till etc passwd. See, Ravi user is there and Shubham is there. So this is how we can install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system via Kickstart. So if you wish, you can modify the parameter in configuration file. You can add more information as well in the configuration file. So this is all about how you will configure and install Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system via Kickstart.